Download this PSD file, and in this exercise you have the 4 layers and they have named as bottom, top, right and left. So let me start with the top. Select the top layer, and I want you to set the size of this block. Control T and set the size of this block. Just remove this proportional lock, and 300 pixel by 300 pixel to make it a square of 300 pixels. So now I want you to rotate this. So to rotate, you can go to Edit, Transform and rotate counterclockwise 90 degree. So now this becomes a up arrow, I should say up. So I'll rename this up. And now I want you to set it in the center, but on the top. So to do that, again I say Control and T and set my reference point to the middle top, and to this, the middle of this is still 900 pixels square. So the middle of 900 will be 450. So I should say 450 X and 0 on Y. So similarly, and just click outside. So similarly, you take the right arrow, select the right layer, and this is right arrow, and always keep your tool, the move tool selected. And to this also, I want you to say Control and T, set the size over here, just disengage the lock over here and set the size as 300 by 300 pixels. And obviously the right one you have to set it at the right block. So it should be logically 600 on the X axis and 300 on the Y axis. First you have to make it square. So do that for all other right, left and bottom. And needless to say, feel free to ask your questions in the question answer session, and I shall reply on priority basis.